Assalamu alaikum. If you are a researcher and you want to start a research on some proposed topic, but you are not well aware whether this is a potential topic for research or not, in this context, you have to contact with your advisor, but maybe he or she will not be available. So why not to take advantage and help of any virtual research assistant? So many applications are available, and one of them is the Grammarly generative AI feature, which is embedded in Grammarly. So you can take help of this as a virtual research assistant and can brainstorm on your idea and your research topic. For this purpose, you have to first download the Grammarly, then you have to install the Grammarly, and once you install it, you have to start the Grammarly. So I'm going to start the Grammarly and then start the brainstorming. So how I can start it here? Once I download it, I can start and install. I can start it from here and here. This Grammarly is now launched because I have already installed it. Here, initially when you start it, you can do some configuration setting. You can set the language, you can set the tone, writing style, writing tones, and particularly you have to enable this generative AI feature. This is on over here. Once you do it, all the setting, you can start your new document, and when the new document is started, you can start talking to the virtual assistant, a research assistant, and it can help you in brainstorming your topic. So I'm going to start the conversation and uh, copying. This is my proposed research topic which I want to brainstorm with the help of this uh, Grammarly generative AI feature. So I copy this proposed research topic, and here I can see the generative AI feature is enabled. Now when I click on this generative AI feature, I have a number of options that what I can do over here. So many, we can write, ideate, write, and we can do the brainstorming idea for blogs and for research outline. So I am asking this Grammarly by first selecting this topic, and here then I'm asking to brainstorm on this topic and provide me some ideas. So here here I am asking to brainstorm on this particular topic, and Grammarly will start generating some ideas. So it has provided me three ideas that I can work on this topic. So all these three ideas are summarized over here, that integration of Edge ML in the real world application, case based reasoning for decision making, and ethical consideration of algorithm selection and Edge ML and case based reasoning. So if I am satisfied with any of this idea, I will pick this over here for my research and will proceed on. But if I'm not satisfied with any of this, then I can ask it to uh, mm, regenerate some other ideas. So if I'm satisfied, I can copy all the ideas from here and can paste them in my document. uh, I'm copying it over here, and then I'm going to, so I paste all the ideas over here. These are some options which we are ignoring at this particular time. These are the three ideas. If I am okay with this one, I can carry on further questions from generative AI feature of Grammarly. But if I am not satisfied with these, because I can see that none of these idea are focusing on the particular research topic which I'm interested, that is the selection of the machine learning algorithm. Then I'm going to ask it my question in another way. For example, I have this uh, prompt that focus particularly on the selection of the machine learning algorithm for classification and classification and prediction problem, and make it a research oriented idea. So I'm asking it again, and it will start rethinking, regenerating it. And now the idea has been provided by generative AI feature of this virtual assistant, and I am adopting it over here. Now once I have adopted it, that this is the idea and I can work on this, so I can ask this assistant further. Now as we see that this is a pretty good stop for starting my research topic. This is a very good idea. So based on this initial input which has been provided by Grammarly generative AI to me, I'm going to update this and making it a rough and draw abstract of my research. For example, I updated it according to the guidelines provided by AI assistant. I'm going to update this section with this updated text, and now I'm asking this Grammarly that could you please could here I am asking, could you please drop a professional abstract for this content of my research, and it will start writing the abstract based on the improved content, and I can adopt it over here. So this is the abstract which has been generated by generative AI for me. And now I can ask further question about this, that could you please outline generate research outlines for this abstract. Could you please generate a research outline for this abstract to proceed on? And the Grammarly will start generating me the outlines for the whole research which I will carry on in this research. So this is the outline, and I'm just going and adopting it. So it has provided me almost all the information that I need: introduction section, literature review, then uh, data characteristic, meta feature extraction, performance metric, and classifier evaluation, then the framework, then the its evaluation, then the discussion. And as this is my own research area, so I can say that it's a very good and pretty good content that the AI assistant has provided me, and is a good start for the beginner to start their research. Now here problem statement. So I'm again asking it that could you please generate a research statement for the subject research topic, that what this particular topic is focusing on, and it is now generating me the research statement. But this research statement is too long. I'm asking it to make it short, because a research statement is normally short. And I'm asking it again that make it more concise, make it more concise, because still it is too long to be adopted. And now this has been generated, and I am adding it over here. The research statement has been provided, and if I ask it that could you please give me the research objectives, so could you please give me the research objectives for this research. So it will give me a list of the objective which I have to follow during this research, and by looking into these objective it has generated its pretty good list of objectives that can be carried out in this research. And if I ask that now generate the research questions for this, generate the research questions for this list of objective. So it will give me a list of the associated questions, and these are those research questions which it has provided me. This is the research question. So in this research I will follow it. So from this document now we can see that it's a pretty good document which can be saved and which can be proceeded during my research. So we can take help of this generative AI feature of the Grammarly and can enhance our research capability, and even we can it is a very good starting document and starting AI tools for those who are starting their research. So you can take help out of this tool. Thank you.